YouTube is about to change the game, again. On July 15th, 2025, YouTube rolls out one of its most impactful monetization policy updates yet. And if you're a content creator, this isn't something you can afford to ignore. What used to work might now hurt your channel, and what used to seem too slow might now be the secret to going viral. But here's the twist. While some creators will get hit hard, others are going to scale through this and grow faster than ever. So, what exactly is changing on July 15th? YouTube's policy update focuses on three main pillars: content originality, engagement thresholds, and advertiser trust. They're tightening the rules around reused content, particularly for shorts and faceless channels. Monetization for recycled or AI-generated content will be harder to achieve unless you're adding real value. That means voiceovers, original edits, commentary, all become non-negotiable. The partner program threshold is also evolving. While the old benchmark of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours still stands, YouTube is now looking at engagement quality. Metrics like average watch duration, viewer retention, and interaction rates will matter more than ever. So yes, even if you hit the basic numbers, you might still get denied monetization if your content feels low effort or lacks originality. And here's where it gets serious. Reused content policies are being strictly enforced using AI detection. If you're just stitching clips from TikTok, recycling popular shorts, or using trending footage without transformation, you could be demonetized or even removed from the partner program. YouTube is saying loud and clear, we want creators, not copycats. But don't panic, because in every algorithm shakeup, there's a huge window of opportunity. The creators who adapt early often explode while everyone else complains. If you understand what YouTube wants post-July 15th, and you act now, you can actually grow faster and more consistently than before. So let's break down the new playbook. 1. Prioritize originality above all. YouTube's AI will now favor content that clearly shows human input. That means faceless content must have voiceovers, unique editing, storytelling, or perspective. If you're using AI tools like Pictory, Fleeky, or Synthesia, you must overlay commentary, data insights, or reaction elements to stand out. Add captions, background story, even humor. You don't need to show your face, boss, but you do need to sound like a human. Create for retention, not just views. YouTube is doubling down on retention. The July 15th update gives more weight to how long people actually watch your videos. It's no longer about views alone. If people click and bounce, you lose. If they watch and rewatch, you win. So, structure your videos with strong storytelling, quick pacing, and curiosity loops. Start fast, tease what's coming, and keep dropping mini hooks every 15-30 seconds. Great. Use voiceover-first content to beat the system. Faceless channels are still safe, but only if you speak up. Literally. Voiceover-led content is now one of the most trusted formats for monetization. Use text-to-speech if needed, natural-sounding ones only. But better yet, use your own voice. AI detection tools can tell the difference. A human voice explaining, reacting, or storytelling adds value that recycled content lacks. Mix long-form shorts with purpose. Shorts are still powerful, but they're under stricter review for monetization. So pair your short strategy with long-form videos. Use shorts to tease or highlight parts of your longer videos. This way, you build both reach and watch time. Plus, long-form content still pays better per 1,000 views. Post shorts for growth, long-form for income. Avoid these monetization killers. Downloaded TikToks with watermark, compilations with no edits or commentary, top 10s with robotic narration only, motivational audio loops with stock footage. If your channel has these now, start transitioning. Add narration, reactions, or behind-the-scenes context. Turn passive consumption into an experience. Build topical authority. YouTube's new monetization AI rewards consistency. If your channel keeps jumping topics, it's harder to build trust. Stick to one niche or cluster of topics. Become known for something, whether it's faceless finance, motivational content, AI tutorials, or animated storytelling. When YouTube knows who your content is for, it promotes you harder. Use AI ethically and transparently. AI tools are fine. In fact, YouTube expects creators to use them. but the final content must look made by a human. Use ChatGPT, Midjourney, Pictory, or Opus Clip as tools, not crutches. Blend AI with creativity. YouTube won't penalize you for using AI. They will penalize you for lazy uploads. Double down on metadata. The new algorithm is metadata sensitive. Your title, thumbnail, description, and first 15 seconds of content should all match. If your video says how I made Rarn, $5,000 in 1 week, the content must actually deliver on that. Clickbait is dead. Authentic hooks are in. Reapply for monetization with better content. If you get rejected or demonetized post July 15th, it's not the end. You can reapply in 30 days. But don't just repost. Revamp your content with better structure, originality, and human value. Add voiceovers, improve editing, and niche down. Many creators have been reapproved after just one strong video change. 10. Future-proof your channel. Use this moment as a reset. Think of July 15th as the start of YouTube 3.0. You don't need perfect equipment or a huge budget. You just need strategy, clarity, and consistency. If you start applying these changes now, by August, you'll already be ahead of 90% of creators still playing by old rules. Let this be your moment. YouTube isn't dying, it's evolving. And evolution always rewards the creators who move fast, think smart, and deliver real value. If this video helped, smash the like button and subscribe. Drop a comment below. Are you ready for the July 15th change? Or are you nervous? Let's talk. And don't miss my next video, how to monetize a faceless YouTube channel in 2025 without getting rejected. Because what's coming next might just blow your channel up for good.